Hi, this is Carol from Inspired By, and I'd like to thank you for joining myself and Angela from Angela's Hangout in our favorite space collaboration. Whether you are a participant or a viewer, we know that you will enjoy all the spaces that you will be seeing today in our collab called My Favorite Space. Space is this ladies retreat. The reason why I love it is because this is a reflection of my design, my style. The first thing I'd like to show you is this couch. It's actually not my couch. It actually belongs to a friend of mine, but she did a remodel in her home and this style no longer suited her taste. One thing I love about this couch is the depth. The majority of couches are between 21 to 24 inches deep, but this one is actually 34 inches deep, which is excellent to curl up to read a magazine or a book or watch videos on YouTube. This couch is actually made out of 100% silk, and that is why I have this fur on the seat, so that way if anybody comes and sits with their jeans or anything, the jeans does not come out on the fabric. This pink pillow is actually the pink shaggy pillows from HomeSense. The one with the designs on it is from Pier 1, and this one was just a satin pillow that I got. I think it was from IKEA, and I just put this brooch on it just to give it an extra touch of glam. This is a Z Gallery dupe that I did use in wall art from Dollarama. I'm going to upload a video showing how I did that. These lanterns from HomeSense along with the candles and the candle holders that are inside. The tray and all the accessories on the tray I also purchased from HomeSense. The area rug is also purchased from wayfair.com. This plant I also purchased from HomeSense. The pot that the plant is in did not come from HomeSense. I actually had that, so I just placed the plant in that pot, since the pot that the plant came with was black and it didn't go with my decor. The table was from a store called Gordman's that was in Grand Forks, and all the candles and candle holders was purchased from HomeSense. When I see this room, I have a sense of calmness. It's the first room that I see when I step out of my bedroom, and it always makes me smile. I would like to thank everyone that joined in this collaboration, and I would like to encourage everyone to go over and view the other channels. If you liked what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. And I would like to thank my best friend Angela from Angela's Hangout for co-hosting this collaboration with me. Have yourself a great day, and please remember to go and check out all the other participants. You're going to see some gorgeous, gorgeous spaces. That's their favorites. Thanks again, and this is Carol from Inspired By.